Here.
Okay, that's not funny.
It's just bread.
I don't understand. Don't. I don't understand. Demi, stop.
Please take the bread.
No.
Why?
Because I don't know what you've done. I think you've done something.
What, to the bread?
Why are you recording this?
Because it's funny.
It's not funny. It's...
Yeah, funny.
Yeah.
That's not nice to girls.
It's funny.
That's not nice to girls. That's right.
Yeah, oh, that's gross, Mommy. That was
Ooh.
gross, Mommy.
I know.
So it was a bird. It flew into the window and it died. So
But
what?
why didn't I see it when I closed the windows?
Maybe you stepped on it.
I didn't.
How'd you know it was there?
Because I just went to walk in the living room and it was there.
Yeah, it looked like it was pretty battered. It hurt its wing and also it's got a big dent
Well,
in its
now our
head.
house is diseased.
No, it's not.